how you can change quick access shortcut in your Claude AI. So I'm using the desktop version. All you need to do is to click on your profile in right or left down corner area, and here simply open your settings. Now make sure to go to General, but not this first one, but the Desktop App section, General. And here you're gonna find Quick Access Shortcut, Message Cloud from anywhere on your desktop. So right now I got it on tap option twice. I'm on Mac. You can change it like you want. So if I, for example, tap option twice and my Claude is launched, it's gonna open you down here the Claude, and you can type here from anywhere on your computer. And if you want to change this shortcut, you can click here and you can, for example, option plus space, or you can set the custom shortcut. So do it on your own. You can do any shortcut, and if you then launch it, it's very helpful. It's gonna appear here and you can type into Claude. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.